Hi everybody, about Operation Christmas Child. I bought these dolls at second-hand store. They are not for children because they are not to play with, just decoration. But they have very beautiful clothes. So I took off the clothes and I give them to the dolls to play with. That are these dolls. So this doll can sleep, and now she's awake. That's the difference. These dolls are kind of dead. They always have the same face and they cannot sleep. You see, these are all asleep now, and I've just bought just a simple little doll. It's a simple dress, but now she has a very beautiful dress, as you can see, and she has another suit just from the wash machine, and I think the children will be happy with them because if you can play with them, sleep them, other clothes and touch them, that they are soft, and this is the most wonderful because this suit was made by my mother 50 years ago, and when I have time maybe I'm gonna make some suit like this. So little bit Operation Christmas Child. 800 million shoeboxes to make the children happy in the poor countries. Bye bye, love you all.